Hi everyone, this is Satyam. I have recently completed CS50 Python course, and as a final project I have created this movie manager. I am from Kanpur, India. So let's see the script in action. To run this you have to uh, run the Python script using two available modes, search mode and watchlist mode. So let's first run it in search mode. Here you get the prompt to enter the movie name. I would enter the movie name. Suppose I want to uh, see the details about the Game of Thrones. I will just type the Game of Thrones, enter, and here I get the list of top 10 results. Since I know the release date of Game of Thrones is between 2011-19, I would type the 1, choose the 1 to see the more details. Here I get the list, whole detail of the movie, the title, year, rated, etc. Here is the poster link. If I would just click at that, I will get the poster. This is the plot of the movies or series that you want to search, and here are the ratings. If I want to add this movie in my watch list, I would type the Y and enter, and here it is, the movie has been added to my watch list. If I want to exit this program, I would just use Ctrl C and keyboard interruption, program terminated. Let's clear the terminal and open this program in watchlist mode, and this is the watchlist. You can see the movie or series has been added. If I want to do some actions with this, edit this movie, I would choose the movie using its serial number. I have here three options: delete, watching and finished. Suppose I want to set the status of the Game of Thrones to finished, I would just type the finished, enter, and here it is, the status of the movie or series has been changed to finished. Suppose if I want to just exit this, I would use Ctrl C. This script is using OMDB API to fetch the movie details. It is a free to use API. So this was my project. I hope you like that. Thank you.